श्रीमती के कनिमोझी जी।
गद्दी छोड़,
Sir,
गद्दी छोड़,
and we oppose this.
गद्दी छोड़,
We oppose this bill. This is a Hindutva agenda which is being brought in, masquerading as nationalism. It has been brought in against the people of this country, against the Indians of this country, against federalism. You cannot impose nationalism by bringing a law. You cannot make people respect a national song.
माननीय सदस्यगण, आप सबके बीच हमारी एक महिला सांसद, वरिष्ठ सांसद बोल रही हैं। कृपया आप सुनिए, प्लीज प्लीज अपनी अपनी सीट पर जाइए।
We oppose this. This is against the federalism. This song, it was. The house is not in order. How much can I speak when the house is not in order? Why can't we have to debate this? This is not the way to pass a bill. This is against the state. This is against the state rights. And the song goes against the secularism of this country. The greatest leaders, the tall leaders of this country, the founding fathers had the wisdom to stop only with 2 stanzas. Today, you are trying to polarize this country by making it compulsory and making it a criminal offense if we don't sing all 6 paragraphs. And in Tamil Nadu, we have a state song. For over 5 decades, we've been giving that the first place. You are disrespecting the Tamil people, but by bringing this bill, this goes against, this is an insult to Tamil Nadu and many states which have its own song. Why are you dividing this country? You are calling anybody who opposes you as anti-national. This government is anti-national. It is dividing this country by imposing this song on the people of this nation. Don't try to hide. This is not nationalism. DMK opposes this bill, and this is undemocratic. It is against the parliament of this country to pass this bill in this din without a proper debate. You have to listen to the states. You have to listen to our
माननीय
voices.
सदस्य, please
What
बोल रही
gives
हैं
you
आप,
the right
अपनी
to
अपनी
pass
सीट
a
पर
bill like
बैठिए।
this without discussion? We oppose this bill. This bill cannot be passed like this. It is against the people of this country.
माननीय सदस्य श्री संबित पात्रा जी।
माननीय अध्यक्षा जी।